Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa and this is Nessa CX Beauty. Today we are going to be unboxing my Supreme mystery box from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is the Halloween mystery box, y'all. The big kahuna that has 13 products in it. In total, I paid $172 with shipping, and I shipped it out to my best friend Crystal's house because it takes forever for Jeffree Star to deliver to New York City. So she actually sent my box in 2 packages to get to me in 2 days. So big shout out to Crystal Ryan. Before we get into unboxing it, I want to get into my comment shout out of the day. And ironically, it is also Crystal Ryan and Carol Campoverde. So if y'all want to be next video's comment shout out of the day, just consider subscribing, click that bell, and be one of the first people to comment on my next video, and you will get a shout out. So without further ado, let's get into the box. So the first thing that came into my box is obviously what I have on. This is the Jeffree Star tracksuit, the top part, and I got mine in the size small. The second item are, of course, the bottoms, and I also got this in a small for reference. The second thing in my box is the Jeffree Star prom night record, and I'm going to hang this up at my office at work. So thank you, Jeffree Star, for helping me decorate my office. The third thing in my box is, let's be real, I already know that this is the mini breaker because I've seen so many videos, but I am so excited to finally have this palette in my possession because when it came out, I actually had a giveaway with this palette, so I never actually got to keep it. So this is the palette. It has 9 shades and it is beautiful. So now all I have to buy is the Androgyny palette and I'll have all of the Jeffree Star palettes up to date. So I'm super excited about that. And who else is going to buy the Shane Dawson mini conspiracy and conspiracy palette? Mini controversy. But fingers crossed that I actually do get that palette. The next thing in my box is the Jeffree Star metal straw. This comes with a cleaner and it is orange for the Halloween type of vibe. I am super excited for this because a Starbucks is right at my job. So perfect. The next thing is the Supreme Frost in Caramel Kiss, and this is how it looks. I think this is perfectly suitable for my skin tone. It is beautiful. Let's swatch it. Whoa, okay. That is stunning. All right, Jeffree. The next item in this box is the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Zombie Kiss. And this is an exclusive. It is purple with glitter. And I am not sure that this will look good on me. But I'm gonna keep it because, you know, it's not every day that shades like these come out. And the fact that it'll never come back again makes me want to keep it. So I'm gonna put it on. So that is Zombie Kiss on my skin tone. The next thing in my box is the Lip Ammunition in the shade Yummy. It is also purple and sparkly, and I don't think I'm gonna keep this one. I think I'm gonna put this into my 3K giveaway. The next item I'm also gonna be putting in my 3K giveaway. This is the Jeffree Star Lip Scrub in the flavor Cucumber Mint. So I do have one of these already and I'm never gonna get through it. This one is the Blueberry Pie one. So I might as well just put this in my 3K giveaway as well. So those are 2 items for my giveaway. The next item is, of course, the Jeffree Star mirror. And I wanna see the shade, the color that I got. Let's see. Ooh. This is my first ever Jeffree Star mirror. Wow. It's orange. Oh, sorry. It's so pretty. I'm gonna put that back in its case. The next thing in the box, I am so happy that this is in here because I actually just ran out of unicorn blood, and it is my favorite red lipstick, and it's right here. But I've also wanted to try a few of these shades, so I'm so excited to dig into these, especially Calabasas, because I've wanted Calabasas forever, and now that I get to try it, you know your girl's hype. And plus, the packaging for this is just like, you can tell he didn't like go cheap on it. It's like velvety, it's heavy, it's secure, it's beautiful, and I think this makes the box worth it. The next thing in my box is the lip liner in the shade Scorpio. And Scorpio is another shade that I've been dying to try out, just because I feel like it looked good with my skin tone, and I feel like I'm correct because this is looking good. I know that Jeffree Star lip pencils don't have the best reputation, but putting that on my lips wasn't bad at all. It wasn't rough, it wasn't pulling, it was pretty smooth. So I'm contemplating buying more after like having this experience with this one, just because the reviews weren't too great on them. And that doesn't seem like a bad lip liner. I don't know. Woo! And then last but not least, this is Venus Flytrap, and it is a green liquid lipstick, y'all. I don't think I'm going to be using this on my lips, but my friend Crystal Ryan did put this on as eyeliner, and it looked stunning on her. So I will definitely be considering this for eyeliner. And y'all, that is everything that came in my box. Again, thank you so much, Crystal Ryan, for making it so much easier for me to get this box, just because Jeffree Star does take forever to ship to New York for some reason. Like, I don't know what the problem is with New York City, but I'm so grateful to have a friend like you, and I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. Have a great day or night wherever you are in the world.